Many people have the problem that their Teepublic designs aren't showing up in the marketplace, but there's a quick and easy way to fix this. First of all, you have to get your storefront ready. Make sure your designs are copyright free, and if you already have to ask yourself if it is safe to use a design, then you probably shouldn't use it, as you don't want to get your account banned. Another important thing for your store is that you get a profile picture and a banner. Those should look like they are high quality. You can get them from a website like Pexel for free, or you can create your own pictures. I personally feel like it also helps when your store has a certain theme, like cats for example. Of course, you can upload different designs later on, but it seems to help if your first designs make it look like you are an expert in this one topic. And then your profile picture and banner should also represent this one topic. When you have finished this, make sure you have at least 20 designs uploaded. And then go to your storefront and click on Manage My Albums. There you can create different albums. Make sure to create 3 to 5 albums. And make sure that every design you have uploaded is in an album. This is a way to move your designs from a place where they can't be searched to a position where they actually can be seen. It won't work immediately, just wait 2 to 3 days after you have made those changes and then search again for your designs. When your designs still aren't showing up on the marketplace, then go to your storefront and scroll down, click on Contact Us and then on Contact Support. And then I am a designer and I have a question. Type in your information and you have to write a message. I was writing something like, hey, I have been searching for my designs on the marketplace, but they don't seem to be showing up. I have posted over 20 listings and I have added a cover photo, profile picture and albums to my store, but I still cannot see them. Is there anything I can do to make them visible on your marketplace? This is my storefront. This method worked for me and others many times. Here you can see the email I received from Teepublic. And after this mail, my designs were searchable on the marketplace. But if you don't get accepted, you don't have to delete your account because you can still get traffic through Google search and this will also bring you sales. So don't worry. But actually, if your designs look good and you do those steps, I'm pretty confident that your store will get accepted.